Hello, folks. Hello, folks. So, in this video, I want to give an anecdote about what happened yesterday, EDM Festival. So, it was a Saturday, and I'm in Bangalore, so I was going to the Kantira Outdoor Stadium, the stadium where you can actually run. There's a running track, but I went very late at 8 p.m. I was being optimistic that the track will be open and I can run and practice for my marathon on the next day, which is yesterday, Sunday. So I went, it was all, lights were off, it was all closed. So I assumed that, it's like, okay, it's closed, so not available, so let me understand the timings. So I go to the place, the administrative office, I think it's some sort of government office, government department office, like some department of sports and whatnot, Karnataka, where Bangalore is in, Karnataka government thing. So I go in, there's only one person sitting there. I try to talk to him, and then he says the timings are this, for morning and then the evening and whatnot. Before telling the timings, when I asked him about the timings, he told me, like, are you here for the run or something? Tomorrow's run. I was like, what run? No, then I said, no, I'm not here for that. I asked him about that tomorrow's run or what? And I said, no, I'm asking general timings, weekdays and whatnot. And then he told me timings. Later I came out, and then later I was like, wait, there's a run happening in Kantirava Outer Stadium, the stadium? I didn't know. And I'm always curious about what marathons are happening, what running events are happening and whatnot. So I went back inside the office, and to him I said, hey, I asked him, hey, is there a run happening tomorrow? And he said, yes. And then I asked him, what is it? Like, he said, you're a beginner, right? Yeah. So this is a run that has been planned. It's a big event. It has been planned for a long time, and the registrations and all are closed already. Basically, I didn't even ask him, like, can I register, but that was the plan. Like, I was planning to register because my marathon the next day was only at 8:15 or something, so that if there's a run in the early morning, then I can probably go for that. I was being very ambitious, of course, and it's a great thing. I love it. So I like doing more things, and I was like, why not? If it's not clashing, why not go for it? And then I asked him, and then he said, all this, I can't register because registrations are closed and whatnot. I was like, okay, registrations are closed and all that. I was like, okay, fine. What is this even? And like in between, I actually interrupted him and I asked him, what is this even? He was like, let me finish. And then he told all this. He never said the event's name. Then I asked him again, like, what is this event? And then he said it's called, what is this event called? Is what I asked him. And then he told it's TCS World 10K. I was like, right, this is the marathon I was planning to go to. So, and then I actually knew where TCS World 10K was happening, and at least I knew that it wasn't the Kantirava Outer Stadium. So I asked him, so that TCS World 10K is happening in Kantirava Stadium? He said no. Then I didn't ask him where it's happening because I know where to find that. Like, at least quickly, because I knew that it wasn't happening in Kantirava Stadium, but I had assumed because he was saying, are you asking about tomorrow's run? I am in Kandirava Stadium, I'm asking about timings for Kandirava Stadium and all that. He randomly, I don't know what he was thinking, but he was showing off and he was like, it's TCS World 10K. Basically, I kind of felt like he was showing off that I'm a beginner and, I won't know, say, TCS World 10K and things like that, and that registrations are closed and I can't attend and whatnot. Nothing inspiring, saying there are more events and whatnot. Anyways, I don't know what mindset and mood he was in. I was like, right, that's nothing. I knew about this event. I was like, okay. I didn't ask him anything. I just said, when I asked him, is it happening in Kantirava? He said no. I was like, okay. And then I didn't ask him. I don't know if he did think about it, like, why didn't this guy ask where is it happening then, like, because I knew it that it wasn't there and it was somewhere else, especially in my case at least, the one I was running at. and the category of run I was running. So yeah, I mean, after that I just left. I was just wondering, this guy seemed pretty rude and kind of like a show off. I was like, right, anyways, I know the event and I'm running in it, and I did run in it yesterday. And yeah, I mean, I just wanted to talk about that, how some people just don't know some things, and or they just assume some things. He did ask me if I'm a beginner. I did say yes, but probably his definition of beginner and whatnot might be different. But I have been running a bit, of course, but I would still consider myself beginner only, of course. And I know how pros look like. So, yep, that's what I want to talk about. Give an anecdote about how it felt weird when someone did that, like as if kind of like showing off to say, hey, TCS World 10K, very big event and whatnot. So many people come, and then finally he tells this event name and like, I know this event dude, like, and whatnot, as if he was just showing off and whatnot. Anyways, cool. I'll see you in the next one, folks. Bye bye.